Alright guys, what is up? It is a beautiful Sunday morning, folks, and today we are going to church. So I put my hands up to play my song, The Butterflies Fly Away. Alright, so today I want to kind of talk about my motorcycle. Obviously what motorcycle I have, what everything has been done to it, and most importantly, that was almost bad, okay? Anyways, I want to talk about my motorcycle, kind of what led me to buy it, why I got into riding, and yeah, that right there is a prime example why you always have to be looking, because that girl was about to go into my lane with no blinker on, and then looked at me with a dumb face, get jazz at me, on that right, then she get on, first let's see it on my lap, girl, riding comfortable, oh yeah! So, if you don't know, I have a 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 400 in white, talk dirty to me. Anyways, it doesn't have ABS, it's just the normal 2023 Ninja 400. This is my first bike. I got it the end of August, I think, I don't know. I always think about like, when I bought it, I completely forgot. I think it's like middle of August. There's nothing wrong with this bike. It does have, I'm dying. We are at almost 9,000 miles on it, so it is on the kind of higher end of miles on a bike, but I mean still, like that's not bad at all. When I bought it, it did have about 7,800 I think, or 7,500, so I put about 1,000, a little more than 1,000 miles on it. Well, I'll say I put on 1,000 because my brother also put on like 150, 200. He rode it for a few weeks. Your cock is massive! So yeah, I put around a little over 1,000 miles in what, August, September, October, November, 4 months. I've been riding about 4 months. But yeah, this is my first bike. I love it. So when I bought it, well, I bought it for around $5,000, okay? Now, what I want to get out of like this story is do not be rushed to buy a motorcycle. I paid too much for this bike. You know, if you wait for a good deal, you could pay $4,500 for a good, like, I probably could have gotten this same bike for $4,500 if I would just waited. But I was too impatient. I really wanted the bike then. And as soon as I saw this white, I'm like, dude, I have to get that color. I mean, I just fell in love with that. Like, I don't care if I'm paying extra money. I want the white. And that's what was important for me. So that's why I paid extra money. But trust me, just wait. Don't be impatient to buy a bike. I know it can be tempting to jump into it and just buy a bike whenever you see a decent deal. Just wait. There's going to be good deals. Bikes are all over on Marketplace. So just wait. But yeah, so I paid $5,000 for this. I know that's too much, especially with the miles. And it has scratches on the left side. On the left side, he dropped it once in his driveway. Might have been more than once because there's, look at, there's a few scratches. Or he might have even like actually dropped it, like riding it. I don't know. But I knew it was my first bike, so I'm like, dude, if it has scratches on it, that really doesn't matter to me. As long as it doesn't make it look horrible, that's completely fine by me. Because I mean, I'm probably gonna drop it. I haven't dropped it yet, thankfully. But I'm like, dude, it's my first bike. I don't want to spend a lot of money on a brand new bike and then just drop it. So I'm like, the scratches on it, it really doesn't matter to me. So it doesn't have anything added to it. I have this little mount right here. I added a quad lock on myself. That's why I have my phone on right now. It came with a Leo Vince slip-on exhaust. So that's what's on it right now, which makes it sound a lot better. And yeah, I had to replace the tires after about 200-300 miles because they were still the original tires on them. So I wanted to replace them just for my safety. So I bought new tires. They're honestly really cheap. I want to say it was under 300 for the new tires and for them to install it on, which is crazy. I was expecting like 600-700 and it was only like 300. So that was awesome. That is pretty much the bike. I love you like a love song, baby. You think I have time to put on Bruno Mars? Oh shoot. Do I wave to this? Is that even a motorcycle? I don't know. Do I wave? What the hell? I've never seen one of those on the road. I don't know what to do. It got me nervous. Like a love song, baby. Really? 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 What the f*** are you doing? Bro. What the f***, bro? God, dude. People do not know how to drive. Grab somebody sexy, tell them, hey! No! She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly, only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. Oh my God, that's so what the f*** was that? Voted. What the f*** was that? What is wrong? This is how I drive. This is how I normally drive. Nothing wrong with this. I drive like this. I drive like this. Isn't that how I drive? What the hell? Why is there so much dirt, bro? What's happening here? No, they're not making homes there. Oh my, no. Woo. Sorry. 2. I can't hear you. He's saying something. I couldn't hear him though.